Hello everyone, Jaime Valle here, and today is a special day. We're going to talk about formulas. In Excel, you can do really complex stuff with formulas, but to be honest, the 99% of the time, you're going to use the formulas in a very short and simple way. Okay? So don't get scared about formulas because you don't need to. The first thing I'm going to do, actually, I'm going to zoom in. So if I go to the bottom right of my screen, there's a bar with a plus and a minus symbol where I can actually make things bigger. And I want you to see everything I write today. So the first thing I need to do is select in my spreadsheet and click the cell where I want whatever the calculation I'm going to make, whatever the function or the formula I want to introduce, where I want that result to be shown. So let's say it's here. So it's now selected. And now I want a formula. The formula needs to be introduced. Actually, there's different ways to do this, but probably my favorite one is using this long bar in here. It's just on the top of the screen, just below the ribbon. So I can click on there, and then my cursor is in there. It's prepared for me to type whatever I like. And as you can see, it's going to be in the formula I selected as well. Sorry, in the cell I selected. Okay. Actually, in the right-hand side at the very end, there's a symbol like an arrow. If I click there, I can expand that area, so you're going to see even better what I'm typing. So let's do very simple, very straightforward calculations using formulas in Excel today. So let's do an addition, and then we'll do subtraction and something like that. Simple stuff. So what happens if I do 1 plus 1 and then I hit enter? As you can see, nothing happened really. I'm not saying the result. I'm just saying exactly what I typed. How can I see the result? How can I make Excel to actually do the calculation? I want to see the result of that operation, not the operation itself. Okay, so the only thing I need to do is I go there, I click on my formula bar, and I need to put a equals to symbol. Actually, if you do a plus symbol, it works exactly the same. For some reason, I'm used to use the equals symbol. Okay, so equals, and then yes, I'm ready to put 1 plus 1. When I hit enter, you see, Excel is not showing the calculation or the elements of the calculations anymore. It's showing me the results. Okay, so that's how I do a simple addition, a sum. Yeah. Can I do a subtraction? 1 minus 1, and then hit enter. There you go. That is the result. Can I do multiplication? Can I multiply numbers? Normally, with your pen and paper, you would write the cross, like, yeah, the symbol to multiply 1 times 1. However, for Excel, that X with my keyboard is actually a letter, isn't it? It's not a symbol as such. So Excel doesn't recognize that as the multiplying symbol. You will need to use the asterisk, okay? And then 1 asterisk 1 means 1 times 1, which is obviously 1. I do, should I change the numbers and put 5, and then here I'm going to put 2. That should be 10. Wow, I'm a mathematician. 10. Should I divide now? How do I divide? If I put, let's say 6 divided by, the symbol I need to use is the slash or forward slash, and then another number. 6 divided by 2 is going to be 3. You see? Simple as that. Of course, I'm using really low numbers, but you can go as complicated as you want. You can use millions, trillions, I don't know. You can go as crazy as you like. Okay, so that's it for now. Stay tuned because we are going to keep going with the formulas. I'm going to show you a little bit more complexity on the formulas. Actually, the next video, number 12, is going to be about working with formulas, but with references instead of values. So keep going, and you will see the link in this video anyway. Okay. Thank you for watching, and I hope it helped. And thank you very much for your attention.